How's it, guys? Today I will show you the easiest way to install Google Tag Manager to your website without using any code and without needing to use any type of third software party except for Google's own Google site tag. Alright, so a little bit of background maybe. Google Tag Manager is a free Google software that helps you manage all your tags in one place. So you can manage your Google Analytics, your Facebook pixel, your TikTok pixel, your LinkedIn Insight, and all other tags that might be associated with the website that help you manage your performance better. So instead of having multiple scripts load onto your website like how it normally does when you keep adding scripts at the header of your website, you can just have one script, which is the Google Tag Manager load, which can significantly improve the performance of your website. Remember, it's small little incremental things that help your website to load faster and improve its performance. It's not just one golden or silver bullet, but it's multiple little steps. So today is one of those small steps. So let's jump right to it. You're going to add new plugin. Search for SiteKit by Google. Should appear somewhere here. Install it. I'm at the office here, so there'll be a few people talking on the other offices. Don't mind them. Okay, so we activate the plugin. Alright, so at this point what we want is, let's sign up. Or what I neglected to mention earlier on, you will need to have a Gmail account. So this is my client website. I already have access to their Gmail account. They've given me access. In your case, if this is for your own website, then you will need to create a Gmail account. Almost everyone has one. It should take you just a few minutes. This is the business Gmail account. Preferably separate your individual Gmail account from your business Gmail account. That's very good practice to start from the beginning of your business journey. Okay, now our site kit is set up. Once it's set up, automatically the things that it comes set up with would be your Google Search Console that's already set up along with it, and as well as your Page Speed Insight that's automatically set up with it. A lot of other agencies, what they do is they also set up Google Analytics in the same way, but I do not advise you setting up Google Analytics in this way because then it prevents you from the benefits that I've just outlined earlier. So in this case, what we will do is we will go to settings. So these are the two that already come set up with you setting up your site kit. These are already on your website, which is a great thing. I will show you how to log in onto this as well, and maybe submit a sitemap later on. But for now, let's focus on what we are here for. So you go to more services, scroll down, there's your Google Tag Manager right there. It's the client website. and it's connected. So what this will do is it will automatically create a Google Tag Manager account for the client and link it with their email. See, create an account. Okay, so let's create the account for the client. The name of the business is Bluemax Window Tinting. Bluemax Window Tinting. Bluemax is one word. Where are we? In South Africa. We do not want to share any data with Google at this point. Let's get the exact client's website that we created for him. We created a one-page website for the client. They were having issues with their Facebook page because they did not have a professional website where they could do their Google ads. So we just created a one-page website for them in order for them to be able to do their Facebook ads. So I'll show you how that looks pretty soon, but let's finish this first. So we are measuring the website at the moment. However, if you'd like, if you're measuring your iOS app or you're measuring your Android app, it's up to you, but most of the time we usually measure the website. And let's create. Just move this, create. Okay, so as you can see, most agencies or digital marketing specialists, they will ask you to copy this URL, go put it into the head section of your email, of your website, using a plugin called Headers and Footers. We don't do it that way because we're trying to reduce the number of plugins we use on the website, and since Google already offers this, why not use it? Because you will be compelled to install your search console and your page speed inside in your website nonetheless. So why not just use one tool instead of two? So this is set up. We don't need to copy this code. Now while I'm here, I'd like to add our agency as an admin so that I do not forget later on. So as the agency that'll be managing this Google Tag Manager, let me just add ourselves here while we're here. Add user, administrators, put our email. Okay, invite. Okay, that's sorted out. Get the invitation and accept it later. For now, let's get back to what we are here for. So now let's refresh the account. Account is created. Okay, let's start the process over again. So we have the Google Tag Manager complete setup. Why is it not finding it? Alright, so I deleted the Google Tag Manager that was there. I'm going to try to reinstall it again. Perhaps it'll now identify that I've already created an account. I wonder why it's not identifying that I already have. There it goes. Okay, let's give it a few minutes. Let's come back to this. Okay, let's try this again. So I've logged out of the website and logged back in. I've removed the Google Tag Manager, and we'll try it again. Let's go back to settings. More. Tag Manager. There we go. This is what it wants. So it finally established that we have already created one, which is this one. WMB. Brilliant. Okay, let's go ahead and set this up. All right, so your site is now connected to the Google Tag Manager, and now the only thing you need to do whenever you are installing your tags is to install them on Google Tag Manager and not directly on the website, freeing up your website to perform a little bit better. So all these services here that are here, Google Ads, your Google Analytics, can all be connected using the Tag Manager instead of connecting them right here on the website. Alright, so let's not let this video to go on too long. On the next video, I'll show you how to connect your Google Analytics to your Google Tag Manager, and so that you can be able to measure what's going on in your website. Alright, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.